At the True TV, so subscribe to us at the True TV YouTube that people. Quick and fast, me are gonna update what go on in the cassava piece with Movado. People, they don't know say Movado son in a one local argument with a youth in a cassava piece. Movado come fi sort it out. You understand? Squash it. You understand? But Movado end up have to thump the youth in their mouth. Alright. The people them in a cassava piece I tell Movado for run. You understand? Cause the youth friend where just come from jail walk off. You understand? And tell Movado for run. You understand? And plus Movado say nah run. You understand? When the youth come back, I not have the youth we get the thump in their mouth, Is an him friend catch it up on him head, you understand? And go for gun and come shoot up Movado car, you understand? And Movado have to end up run, like you see, guard the station and make a report. Now the people them I tell Movado say him a coward and Movado shouldn't run. You understand? Movado should have stand up. Them people they not like Movado. Anybody I tell Movado say, and then shouldn't run, them not like the man. They want to see the man on the ground. Remember me tell you that. But Movado, I got a guy there and jail over with you. You know if you go church door, not another in the car. I two times this nearly dead, You understand? Me can remember say it come by news already. He go one party, one club, and police have shoot off any other dead. Is a man get the bullet for you and the man dead. He remember a time there. Right. He need to go to church car. We got that guy there car, guess what? The man that shoot up the car and shoot off for you. You see, you could have dead from the spot, You could have get a headshot and he just dead. Pronounced on the spot, yes, some over them. But God a guide and God a protect you. You need to give God some praise in going to church. Remember me tell you. Alright, keep on. Movado run go to the station and make a report say I'm in one youth a cassava piece shoot up in car, you understand? Shoot up in car and shoot off him, you understand? And shoot off him. But when because him he can thump the youth in his mouth, you understand? One thump in his mouth and thing, yeah people. And when I kick a start now, the people them on Facebook, I tell the man say, he shouldn't run and he shouldn't go to police. He shouldn't go to the police station go make a report. What they would want to see Movado do then? They really want to see Movado take out the money out of pocket and pay man for going a cassava piece because go end up shoot back half of the man and all these things. And them them do want to see Movado pull out a gun and start shooting and shoot back half of the man. Listen, you see people them on Facebook and YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. Them come like parrot, just chat, and when them a chat some foolish. Movado iron, Movado can stand up, gunshot up fire, the man must run. Someone don't like the man. Someone wants to Movado go under the ground. You understand? They attack the truth we talk. You understand? Someone don't like the man, people. Movado, let me tell you this. You need to move you need to move your son from cassava piece and move your daughter from cassava piece. You understand? And listen, avoid cassava piece, because guess what? You understand? In your care, nothing at all. The man shouldn't boast off a piece from Movado. Movado born and grow a cassava piece. Cassava piece the man come from. You understand? The man shouldn't pop off a piece, brother. You know, no, cause I guess that. Me know say, a whole heap of elder see that you they are come with the gun. We could have stopped that. You understand? And say, boy, go put down that. That's what I do. That's what I do. I shoot one shooter for the artist. I give him 2 hard backs. And say, go put down that. Me see that. Yeah, me not see that, but me I say, a whole heap of elder see what I go on when the youth are come with the gun. And I should behind him in hand. Somebody must see the gun when the youth are come with the gun to movado. Before me even reach movado care if start shoot and if shoot over there. Because the artist could have dead, you know, on the spot, you know. Everybody else movado dead. I think I should joke me and make. Because we don't want to eat. Fish and bread and keep 9 night and hold it, but they can drink and that's it. They want to say, oh, the artist gone. That's it. You see? Yeah, no, movado. You need to start going to church. Remember me tell you that because they say, see, 2 times in here, you know, 2 times, see, you see one to make 3. No normal thing, youth. You need to go to church because Father God, I guide them and protect you. Send out the praise in. You know, Father God feel good. Hear me I say, people, movado, right now, you need to move your kids from cassava piece, you understand? And thing. But bounty killer, feel vex about it. You understand? Bounty killer feel vex about it. Bounty killer say, cassava piece should have never pop off a piece. You understand? Just because I want fist fighting. You understand? Fist one thump, movado thump a man in the mouth. I could have caused movado life. You understand? Because movado could have dead on the spot. But can say, John Noah, cassava piece should have never pop up a piece. I don't know the thing that are bound together. Word with him so time out. You understand? He vex say, oh, because the cassava piece. But in when me glad for, so the police what the youth would do it. I don't know the thing. Hustler, Talk the Truth TV. Subscribe to Hustler Talk the Truth TV. Yeah, people who don't know the thing. Alright, yeah.